After I finished my training in psychological first aid with the program under Katatagan of UP, I was first involved in responding to the call of Dr. Chanova, Jenna Chanova, the one who created the Katatagan project in UP to help the victims of fire. Hindi lang yung when in terms of helping people in distress, no? Halimbawa yung namatayan, no? Yung grief, no? How to help people overcome grief. Mayroon ako noon, no? Na may namatayan ng anak, may namatayan ng asawa, tapos biglang namatay ang tatay na, so parang yan, isa din yun sa parang distress ng tapos yung yung tumalon, like suicide. Every encounter is significant to me. Walang special sa kanila kasi they are very peculiar, they have their own distinct characteristics kasi iba-iba ang dating sa tao, no? Iba-iba ang perception ng understanding on the situation. Upon talking to these people and sharing with what the process na hindi siya ganoon kadali at talagang you have to understand the world of the person. Understand, hindi dyan accept, because you cannot say that I can accept or I can, because hindi mo ramdam yung sitwasyon niya, no? So ang na lang is iintindihin mo lang yung nangyari, understand what happened. Do not understand the person, because you cannot understand the person if you focus to the person. But titingnan mo na lang yung what happened and then bring yourself there. Ang lagi kong tinatanong is yung nangyari sa kanya, what is it to them? Katulad nung tumalon. So bakit mo siya ginawa? Unang-una is, bakit mo siya ginawa? Of course, alamin mo yung buong sitwasyon. Ganyan. So, ano ang effect nito sa iyo ngayon? So, physically, titingnan. You have to help the person understand the effect muna. Diba? Kasi ganun papaintindi mo yung effect. So, I'm very sad. Kasi kailangan ilabas yung kanilang pang-intindi sa sitwasyon. Diba? The first is let them understand or let them define the feeling, let them define the situation. Kung galit man, palabas yung galit. Ganun ang ginagawa ko Iba-iba naman kasi ang approach. Ako ay ang isa sa technique na ginagamit ko is the neuro-linguistic programming sa therapy, na parang i-reprogram mo yung mind, and then I have also my psychogeometric identification kung ano yung negative, which part of the brain is more dominant, the left brain or the right brain. And then after that is identifying ano yung mga strength ng left brain person or the right brain person. And from then, it will be my springboard to identify anong nararamdaman mo ngayon, bakit mo nararamdaman yan. So, papasok na ako sa CBT. Pag may disaster is, agad-agad ka tumulong. No. ang agad-agad na dapat tumulong sa disaster, hindi psychologist. Dapat ang unang tumulong doon yung mga paramedics. Diba? Sila muna. And then, sunod noon yung magdadala ng pagkain or mga basic goods. Tayo mga psychologists, dapat pumasok tayo pag-establish na yung pag-establish na yung, hindi na pag-secured na yung lugar. Of course, yung presence natin is important. Pero yung pagbibigay ng mga hindi muna yun. Kundi kailangan security and safety ang mauuna. Emotional is just the next thing to do.